Primetime news this evening, another guilty plea in the murder case of MP's child and her mother. St. Elizabeth farmers livid after cattle thief gets suspended sentence. And Salt Spring Primary and Infant School records low class attendance following Thursday's double murder.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, what's going to happen to the region if there's any major economic slowdown in China? Well, the IMF gave the answer to that question in a press briefing yesterday. I'll have the details later on.
Thanks, Keys. And Jordan Ford has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, more developments in the saga between the JFF and the Reggae Girls. Well, the Federation is now saying it's fully paid up all the members of the World Cup squad in terms of their bonuses from that tournament. So the ball is now in their court as to what happens next. I'll tell you all the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
That story just keeps going.
And it's been rain, and more rain. Romaine Robinson is here to tell us what's up with the wet weather.
Thanks so much, Kalisha. Now, we're expecting more rain this weekend, and we're expecting an even bigger increase in the clouds, showers, and thunderstorms that we are expecting across the island coming into Monday. We also are monitoring an area of low pressure that is in the southwestern Caribbean.
Wow, there's a lot of weather.
Yes.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and of course, our bite of the week in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, how would you reduce delays at the country's two major international airports?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.